Hello everyone and welcome to this week's game development log video diary, and this week it is Christmas. But apart from that, I've also been doing a load of work on the game, and I'm going to give you a quick look at what I've been up to this week. So I've been working a lot on the GUIs and the inventory once again this week, and the first thing I did was to implement the stacking mechanism into the game, which you can see here, putting the text update from last time into use. And if I go ahead and add a load more items into the inventory, you can see the stackable items stacking up very nicely. Also, I've abbreviated the larger numbers with the K or M suffix so that the numbers all fit in properly. Secondly, this week I added some mouse over information to items in the inventory and equip screen, which shows the name of the item and the number of items in the stack if the item is stackable. So if we mouse over the masterfully drawn Donald the Devil here, we can see its name and the number of Donalds in the stack. I also implemented a bit of a item tier system, which is what the different name colours represent. Light colours are lower tiered items and the darker colours are higher tier items. I'm pretty sure Jade isn't purple, but never mind. All of these items are just placeholders right now. Don't get too excited. I very much doubt that Donald the Devil is actually going to make it into the game. As well as that, I've also given the equipable items some temporary stats and made these stats appear in the mouse over info as well, so you can quickly check the stats of all of your items. And I've just given them some completely random stats and set them all to 999 for now. I'll do the item stats properly when I work on the combat system. Also here you can see that it shows what the item's default left click action is, so clicking on these cute shorts will equip them, and in the equipped item interface here you can see that left clicking will unequip the item. And lastly this week I've been working on pop-up menus which appear when you right click on an item like this. This gives you all the different actions for any particular item and you can select the one you want. Also, I've made it that if you go off the edge of the pop-up, it automatically disappears, which is lovely. I haven't quite finished implementing these though yet, so actually clicking on the options doesn't really do anything. As well as all of that programming, you might have noticed that I've been doing a bit of 3D modelling this week. The chickens are having a week off for Christmas and have been temporarily replaced by these wonderful snowmen. Also, the trees have been snowed on, although someone needs to tell their leaves that it's winter. Also, I made a house. It's not very Christmassy, but I just got bored one day and decided to build a house. So that is it for this week and for this year. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos and for subscribing. I'm sorry that the uploading hasn't been as frequent as it could be recently, but by mid-January I'm going to be working pretty much constantly on this game, so I should be uploading weekly once again. But yeah, that's it. I wish you a very Merry Christmas, have a lovely break, and I will see you all in the new year.